YouTube steadily for years. Thank you so much. If you're new, welcome, subscribe, because I'm making new videos every week. Many of you have seen the videos of my nephew, sweet little boy, and he had some speech and language delays. And so I did a lot of filming of him and I working together, put a few on YouTube and put a lot in my online course, that step-by-step guide, which is available to you online for purchase, link below. And you know what? So he graduated speech therapy very quickly. He just needed about 6 sessions with a speech therapist, and bam, he was talking. Now it's been about a year later, and he needs to go to speech therapy again, and that is okay. And so first, his issue was that he wasn't using a lot of words. He was just kind of babbling here and there. So he had speech therapy, and they got him talking and using lots of new words and imitating lots. And then he talked up a storm nonstop. So now the issue is different. He is talking. He has a huge vocabulary, but he's hard to understand. So when I went home on a Christmas break, I did a quick little evaluation of where his speech is at, and I did a fun little activity with him and his brother, his mom and dad, to start introducing to him how to imitate a word with a correct sound and to fix that sound. So for speech therapists out there, I'm using the complexity approach for this child, and you can look that up. But I want you to just see how I'm making sound imitation fun and not frustrating, and not, oh, you're messing up, don't say it like that, say it like this. No. I'm making it fun. I'm just having him try again and then praising when he gets a little bit better. Does he get it perfectly right? No, but he's improving. And so he's continuing in speech therapy for the time being, and his articulation's already improving, and we've still got some ways to go. So if your child graduated speech therapy and man, now is back in speech therapy, that's okay. That often happens. It doesn't mean that anybody messed up, just means that the child has grown and developed to a new area where that child needs some extra help, and that's okay. We all need extra help sometimes. So here's a clip of me working with my little nephew and his family. We're working on the word scoop. This is part of the complexity approach. It's complicated because we've got the S and the K together right in the beginning, and so he has trouble with that, but he's able to practice and improve and get better and have fun while doing it. Is it perfect? No, but it's just the start of therapy. That's totally okay. Sometimes it takes quite a few months to get something more accurate out of the child. So the key is to keep it fun, not frustrating. Here, take a look at this clip. You can get the toy with a link below. I really liked it. Enjoy. Scoop now. We're stacking the scoops.
Ask Dad. I want ice cream.
You're asking.
I said
Wait your turn, okay? Bubba's turn. Careful.
no.
Oh, safe.
Look here.
Ooh.
Wow, nice.
I want ice cream.
Which one?
Pink. Why don't you give me the...
Caleb, you're supposed to leave it alone, buddy, after you put it down.
Oh
no!
I knew it was gonna get...
Thanks for watching. I hope that you learned something, and I really encourage you to seek out a speech language pathologist to help you in person with articulation therapy. This is in no way a recommendation for what you should be doing exactly with your child, because you know, articulation and phonological issues can be a real big questionable mess that it takes a professional to really identify exactly what the problem is and how to fix that problem in the best way for your child. So seek someone's help in person, but like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge of speech therapy for young children around the world. Thanks so much, and happy talking with your little toddlers.